Chemical Balloon Inflation by Vanessa Arias. In this experiment, we will be blowing up balloons using a chemical reaction. Have you wondered what a chemical reaction is? Come on, let's explore this together. Materials. In this experiment, we will use a half cup of vinegar, teaspoon of baking soda, a balloon, and an empty 1 liter soda bottle. We will also use a funnel just to make it easier to spill in the apple cider through the bottle. The first thing we do is use our funnel and place the end of it inside the top of our balloon. We will now put a teaspoon of baking soda inside the balloon and give it a little shake so all of the powder falls right in. And once we are done with that, we will place our balloon on the side and we will now put our funnel at the top of our empty bottle. What do you think will happen if we add more baking soda? So to answer the question, the more baking soda you add, the more quickly the balloon will inflate. We will now place our half cup of vinegar into the funnel and let all of the vinegar fall into the bottle. Next, we will grab our balloon and carefully place the end of it onto the edge of the bottle opening. Lastly, we will flip the balloon upward and give it a little shake so the baking soda will drop right in. And as you can see, our balloon is starting to inflate from an undergoing of a chemical reaction. Science explanation. Adding certain things to baking soda will make the baking soda chemical break into pieces. When this happens, one of the things the baking soda breaks into is gas. This means that the baking soda mixture will bubble. The gas bubbles let you know it is reaction, or breaking apart and changing into other chemicals. This chemical reaction is safe to touch with your hands and safe to wash down the sink when you're done. How can this relate to society? Acid-base reactions happen every day. Sometimes they make things explode, but sometimes they help make something delicious. For example, when you make a cake or a quick bread, baking soda and an acidic ingredient, something like buttermilk, can create an acid-base reaction. When the gas is formed in the cake batter, it makes little bubbles that make the cake rise. It may not explode, but it's still pretty great.